So my daughter's Yukon is in very wonderful shape, except for one problem. We have a hole right here in front of the driver's side, but that's going to be an easy fix with our Coverlay dash cover and vent cover. So now we're going to do the test fit with our dash cover and our airbag cover. Remember, it is optional to use it if you want to. If you do, we'll show you how to put it on. So I've chosen to use the airbag cover. Make sure your dash cover is snug and in place. You're going to take a Sharpie. We're going to outline the airbag. So now we're going to remove the dash cover and install our airbag. So we're going to extend our line for our airbag cover to help us install it. Now we're going to take the tape off, lightly stick it, because then we have to adjust it to fit the dash cover. Silicone adhesive that is provided. We want to do at least ½ inch around the perimeter in any openings, except around your airbag. You want to do a full inch so you won't get any silicone adhesive on your airbag. Now that we have our silicone adhesive on our dash cover, we're ready to install it. Now we're going to push it firmly into place. We're going to apply painter's tape and some weight on our dash cover. Now we're going to put some silicone adhesive on our vent cover. This one we will do 1/2 inch around the perimeter and any openings. Now that we've installed our vent cover, we'll put some wedges by the windshield, and then we'll get some weight, put them on top of our dash cover and vent cover and airbag. So now we're going to give it 4 to 8 hours to cure, and then we'll see our new dash cover. We're done taking everything off. This is the finished product for our dash cover and our vent cover. Thank you very much, Coverlay.